Hello,
to
everyone.
Riz English
Welcome
Channel.
back to Riz English Channel, the place where you can learn real English in a fun and simple way. I'm Riz, your teacher and friend for today's episode.
Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. How are you all doing? I hope you're having a great day.
Zoe, I have a question for you, and for our listeners, too. Have you ever been in a situation where someone talks to you in English about daily life, like at a shop or a cafe, and you don't know what to say?
Oh, yes, many times, actually. When someone says, "How was your day?" I just smile and say, "Good," and then I panic.
Yes, I think many English learners feel the same. But don't worry. Today's episode is all about daily life English conversation, how to speak English naturally in everyday situations.
That's great, because we use English most in daily life, not just in the classroom.
Exactly. So let's imagine you and I are spending a normal day together, and we'll practice real English sentences for every situation.
Oh, that sounds fun. Let's do it.
All right, let's start from the morning. You wake up, you see your roommate or your friend, and they say, "Good morning."
I can say, "Good morning. How are you?"
Perfect. Or you can also say, "Good morning. How did you sleep?"
Oh, that's nice. How did you sleep?
Yes, it's a friendly, natural way to start small talk in the morning. Repeat after me, listeners. How did you sleep?
How did you sleep?
Great. Now, what if your friend says, "I didn't sleep well"?
Oh, no. Why not?
Perfect, again. And then the conversation starts naturally. See how simple that is?
Yeah, it's like being friendly without using big words.
Exactly. Now, let's move on. After breakfast, maybe you go to work or school. You meet a coworker or a classmate. What's something simple you can say to start a conversation?
Maybe, "Hey, how's it going?"
Excellent. That's one of the most common phrases in English. How's it going means, how are you, but in a more casual way.
So if someone says, "How's it going?" I can say, "It's going well, thanks. How about you?"
Exactly. Let's practice that together. Ready?
Ready.
How's it going?
"It's going well, thanks. How about you?"
Nice job, Zoe. And good job to you listening at home or in your car.
It's fun to talk like this.
It really is. Now, let's imagine you're at a coffee shop. You want to order something. What's the first thing you say to the barista?
Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
Perfect. Always remember to say please. Politeness is very important in English.
And then when they give me the coffee, I say, "Thank you."
Exactly. Simple, polite, and friendly. You can also say thanks a lot or thanks so much.
I like that. "Thanks so much" sounds cheerful.
Yes, tone matters a lot. A smile makes your English even better.
That's so true.
Now, let's move to a different part of the day, maybe lunchtime. You go to eat with friends or coworkers. A common question is, what do you want to eat?
I can say, "I feel like pizza today."
Very natural. I feel like means I want. So I feel like pizza equals I want pizza. Repeat after me. I feel like pizza.
I feel like pizza.
Good. You can use this for many things. I feel like coffee. I feel like watching a movie. I feel like going for a walk.
Oh, that's useful.
Yes, and it makes your English sound more native.
Okay, but what if my friend says, "Let's eat sushi," and I don't want sushi?
That happens a lot. You can say, I'm not really in the mood for sushi.
Not in the mood for sushi. Nice. That's polite, but clear.
Exactly. Let's repeat that one. I'm not in the mood for sushi.
I'm not in the mood for sushi.
Excellent. And listeners, try that too.
I like this. It's like real life, because these are the small things we say every day.
You're right. That's how language becomes natural. Now, after lunch, maybe you go shopping. Imagine you're in a clothing store. The shop assistant says, "Can I help you?"
Yes, I'm just looking, thank you.
Great. That's a polite way to say you don't need help right now. Or, if you need help, you can say, "Yes, do you have this in a medium size?"
Ooh, that's a good one. Do you have this in a medium size?
Exactly. Let's practice together. Do you have this in a medium size?
Do you have this in a medium size?
Perfect. This really helps me understand how people speak in real stores.
That's the goal. We want to help you use English in real life.
Thanks, teacher.
You're welcome, student.
Now, let's go to the evening. You finish work, maybe you go home or meet a friend. What's something people say at the end of the day?
How was your day?
Yes, that's very common. You can also say, "Did you have a good day?"
Did you have a good day?
Exactly. And you can answer, "Yes, it was good." Or, "It was busy, but good."
It was busy but good. I like that one. It sounds real.
Yes, we often say that in daily life. Now, before ending the day, maybe your friend says, "Good night," and you say,
Good night. See you tomorrow.
"Perfect." And you can also say, "Sleep well," or "Have a good rest."
Oh, that's sweet. Sleep well.
Yes, short, kind, and simple. The best kind of English.
I agree.
So let's do a quick recap for our listeners.
Okay.
All right. In the morning, say, "Good morning. How did you sleep?" At work or school, "How's it going?" At a cafe, "Can I have a coffee, please?" In eating, "I feel like pizza," or "I'm not in the mood for sushi." In a shop, "Do you have this in a medium size?" And at the end of the day, "How was your day?" or "Sleep well."
That's a great list.
Yes, and remember, you don't need big words to sound fluent. You just need to speak kindly, slowly, and confidently.
That's a great tip.
So, to everyone listening, keep practicing these simple conversations. Try them with friends, family, or even when you talk to yourself in English.
I do that sometimes.
Me too. It really helps. And if you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel because we have many more fun lessons coming your way.
And tell us what's your favorite daily English phrase. Leave a comment or message us.
Yes, we'd love to hear from you. Remember, learning English is a journey. Take it step by step, one conversation at a time.
That's beautiful, Riz.
Thank you, Zoe, and thank you to all our wonderful listeners for joining us today. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and as always,
Keep learning with Riz English Channel.
see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe.
To keep learning English the smart way.